Good day everyone. Today I will be discussing about the torsion problem. So this is diagram with the following events of 46 mm with a diameter with a torque of 400 Nm and other diameter for B which is 20 mm and torque for A is 300 Nm. For the first problem, we are asked to find the maximum shearing stress in the shaft AB and shaft BC. So these are the following events: torque 300, diameter of 20 and the radius of diameter over 2 which is 0.015 rather. So to solve for shaft A, this is the formula. P max is equal to PR over J. J here is the second moment of inertia. And we can substitute eliminate the formula to 2T over 5 R cubed. Then substitute for the values 2 times 300 times 5 times 0.015 to the cube. And we can get the answer of 56.588 times 10 to the power of 6 Pascal, or in other words, 56.6 megapascal. So for the shaft BC, we just need to add the torque total 300 plus 400 is equal to 700 Newton meter. The diameter of 0.046 and radius of 0.023. To solve for Pmax, the same formula, substitute everything. 2 times 700 over 5 times 0.023 cube, then we can get the answer of 36.6 megapascal. Then for the number 2, a new design is being considered in which the diameter of the shaft BC will be smaller. Determine the smallest diameter of the shaft BC for which the maximum value of the shearing stress is in the assembly will not increase. So same diagram, same given. Then for the solution is just the same. 2T over 5 R cubed is equal to 2 times 300 over 5 times 0.015 cube is equal to 56.6 MPa. And for Pmax is just the same but different radius. 2 times radius and torque 2 times 700 over 5 times 0.046. Then we can get the answer of 26.6 MPa.